The Raj Bhavan in Shillong observed Rashtriya Ekta Diwas or National Unity Day on the 18th of November 2025 at the Dorbar Hall to mark the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. During the program, Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar acknowledged the participation of the Meghalaya Police, the BSF, the CRPF, teachers and students. He underscored the continuing significance of Sardar Patel's legacy, describing him as, quote, the Iron Man of India, unquote, whose leadership laid the groundwork for national unity, stability, and progress. The governor stressed the importance of remaining vigilant in safeguarding national integrity, noting that challenges to unity could arise from both external and internal sources. He reminded citizens of their responsibility in upholding the unity, integrity, and dignity of the nation. Reflecting on Patel's pivotal role in integrating princely states, the governor described it as one of India's most remarkable political achievements. He also highlighted Patel's contribution in establishing the All India services like the IAS, the IPS, and the IFS, which he referred to as the, quote, steel frame of India, unquote, that continues to ensure administrative continuity and cohesion. The governor also praised Meghalaya's rich cultural diversity and its enduring traditions of peace, respect, and coexistence. He emphasized that unity is not about uniformity, but about embracing differences while working collectively for progress. He concluded by urging upon citizens of the state to remain committed to building a stronger and more prosperous India, expressing hope that the spirit of unity would continue to guide Meghalaya and the nation toward peace, development, and a brighter future.
Laid the foundation for unity, stability, and progress as a nation. His diplomacy, courage, and clarity of vision ensured that India remained united as one sovereign nation. It was because of his decisive leadership of Sardar Patel that territories spread across the diverse region, culture, and history came together to form a cohesive nation. Sardar Patel's historic work in national integration is rightly considered one of the greatest political achievements of the 20th century. Understanding that good governance was the backbone of national unity, Sardar Patel established the All India services, including IAS, IPS, IFS, to serve as instruments of a national cohesion and administrative excellence. He believed that these services would provide continuity, stability, and uniformity in governance across the country. We came to know the sacrifice, the dedication, the contribution of our forefathers, their dreams. If at all once India became independent, how India would be? Their dreams. You have to go and see that. Their sacrifice. We should know by going and visiting that place. Their contribution to this nation. So today also, when I have seen some of the activities of BSF, actually tears had come in my eyes. The Prime Minister of this country, earlier Prime Minister of this country, Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji, he told we people, Jai Jawan, पहला शब्द ये लिया उन्होंने, जय जवान, Second thing, Jai Kisan. He made us to understand the responsibility and commitment and concern and dedication and sacrifice of a soldier. And second thing, sacrifice of a farmer. Sacrifice of a farmer.